for it to become grace. The 5 fingers have a meaning. Number one is the finger of submission. These 4 fingers cannot work without this one. Your grip is stronger when you involve your thumb. It's called submission. Bible says in 1 Peter chapter 5, verse 5, it says, submit one to another. Meaning the man is to submit and the woman is to submit. It means there is a place in marriage you must compromise. One of the things that is breaking homes today is when the man refuses to compromise. Mimi ni mwanaume, nimesema. When you cannot bend, you will break. So in marriage, you must submit. You must, lazima ufike mahali unaweza kuza kunjika. This thing that I have, I can bring it down. Submission is the first finger of marriage. We come to the second finger of marriage. We call it humility. We call it respect. Number 2 is the finger of respect. You must respect each other. Never allow the second finger to point to your partner. It means there's no respect. When you start doing this to your husband, you have lacked respect. When you lift your hand and point to your wife, you have no respect. Marriage works on the platform of respect. You must respect your wife and you must respect your husband. If marriage is to work, respect must be upheld. Why is it that many homes are breaking? Many people have no respect. Women have no respect. Husbands have no respect. You don't respect your wife, don't respect your husband. No matter how much angry you are, never go beyond respect. Ndoa nyingi leo zimevunjika because hakuna heshima. You must respect your wife. Respect her emotions. Respect her thoughts. Respect her decisions. Respect. You must respect the authority of your husband. You must respect the leadership of your husband. You must respect the direction of your husband. The 3rd finger among your hands is the tallest finger. It is one of the most dangerous fingers. This finger, in the social world, it means something different. But in the Christian world, people don't know what it means. The middle finger is called the finger of humility. No matter how big you are, no matter how great you are, you must always calm down. For these fingers, for all of them to become effective, the taller one has to bend also. A time has to come whereby you will be forced to show humility. Respect. You must always show humility. Never get to a place that you have money more than him and you don't respect him. Marriage begins to crack when the man feels he's too big. He does not need his wife. That's when marriage begins to crack. Marriage begins to crack when the woman thinks she's too learned and too clever that she doesn't need a man. Marriage will crack. So no matter how tall the finger is the finger of humility. The 4th finger, all of us know, it's called the finger of love. No matter how hungry you are, love must remain. The moment love will jump out of the window, that home will become a war zone. Why do people fight? We have come to a place that when your wife is in pain, you must feel it. That is love. When your husband is stressed, you must feel it. Love. Love always have to lead. Not money, not people. Love. Everything you do must be out of love. Love is the thing that makes the most decorated finger, the most expensive finger in all your hands is the wedding finger, the love finger. That's why we put expensive rings. Because of what? It's very valuable. In marriage, love is valuable. Number 5 is the small finger. You can easily overlook it. You can even think you don't need it. But these 4 cannot function without a small one. That means it's the finger of patience. Finger of what? Patience. Number 5 is the 5th finger is the finger of patience. it is small. The 4 of them have to be patient with this one. There's a place patience works. Be patient with his shortcomings. Be patient with his life. Be patient, God will lift him. Be patient, she will give you children. He might not be driving Prado today. Be patient. Very soon, he will pick with the helicopter. Be patient. Why marriages don't work? Many women have walked out of their home because patience. Patience. 5 years, nothing is showing. I'm patient. 10 years, I'm patient. One day, patience always pays. Why is marriage not working? Women are not patient with their husbands. Yeah, I've been telling you, he's not changing. He's not changing. Amerudia. Patience. Why is it that your husband is going out? Lack of patience. Patience. Patience is very key. Now, if you fold all of them, you have a feast. It means you have strength. You have togetherness. You'll have unity. You'll have oneness. And you'll have grace. You discover marriage is working.